Hey YouTube, Metal Fusion Videos here. Got another special unboxing for you guys today. You probably already know by the title, but I'm pretty excited to see. I already know what it is, except I'm still excited to see. Yeah. I'll have another unboxing like this coming a couple days or so. And this one will even be bigger. But yeah, I'm going to open it up from this side because this is less tape. So, yeah, I'm sorry, not many videos up. I do have that one red Fang Leone and red Big Bang Pegasus and black Fang Leone unboxing. But I haven't uploaded it because it takes a really long time to upload it from the computer, and I normally upload from my iPad. And I almost got to uploading it, but my computer stalled. It was at 99% from saving, and it was already at like 2 hours. But it takes forever. So yeah, I'm going to save the best for last. And let's get this show on the road, I guess. So excited, actually. I was just like looking right there. I was like, what? But it looks like it's cardboard. Probably know what this is already. And the number one of this is, come on, yeah, HMS. Not very good bay, but came with a lot, so whatevs. There's number one. Let's see, this one, number two. Okay, this will be number two. Number two is a Jade Jupiter MS. I know that there is a Beyblade, what is it, like, I think it's Advanced Balance, it's something advanced, it's from the Advanced series. It has this, this same thing, and it's supposed to be good, but Jade Jupiter isn't good due to its, see, it's really wobbly, but, you get bottom, which looks weird, and then, yeah, Jade Jupiter and drlgergt MS. It was funny because I was looking through some things the other day, and I found drlgergt MS's tip, the weight, and face bolt, and I was like, please let me find the tack ring or whatever, but I couldn't find it, and I was like, aw. But I did find Spark Dragons, so I was able to make one complete bay, but I don't have any launchers. So speaking of launchers and ripcords, here is the ripcords. Three ripcords to be exact. Let's see what's in here. And here is Hopper Tack MS with the bouncing base, or Einstein MS if you wanted to use the Takara name, I believe that is. Pretty tall actually, but Heard it's not so great. But, yeah. A couple more still. We'll open this one next, and we'll save. Like, this is coming down to my top 3 favorites of this lot, besides John's RMS. I'm not sure. Like, John's RMS is tied for 3rd, but Spark Dragon. I'm not sure if this is the Kartomi or Hasbro. I could tell pretty soon. The Hasbro, or the Kartomi one, it will spark. It actually sparks, which is where it got its name. If it's Hasbro, it's Thunder Dragon. So not sure. But base. Another launcher. So it's 3 launchers. Couple bays. Now coming down to my favorite 2, which I'm super happy to own now. Let me get this open. Another launcher, silver, with Death Gargoyle. Supposedly a pretty good bay. And it is. I know it is a pretty good bay. It's pretty darn good bay. Yeah. And the final one, which in my lot that will be coming in a few days, which has 2 more of these, is a Dragoon MS. Pretty good condition. And yeah, so psyched about this. You could see the excitement in my voice. But there's 2, got a few more coming, actually, because another lot that I got. Launcher. And I believe that is it. Yeah, shower. Okay, yep, that's it. So you get, or I got 5 launchers and 7 Beyblades, or Metal Fight Beyblades, or not Metal Fight, Heavy Metal. Death Gargoyle, Dems, just COMS, Gaia Dragoon MS, Dragoon MS, Spark Dragon, Hopper Attack, and Dronzer MS. If you want to see any battles with these, I can do that, and I will be happy to do that because I'm really looking forward to playing some of these. And yeah, I will have another boxing with plastics and a heavy metal system in a few days. Can't wait for that. So, guys, if you're wondering why my collection isn't going to be as big when Christmas time comes around, because a lot of people are requesting for another video, it's because I sell a lot of Beyblades, of my old Hasbro Beyblades. I have over 40 Beyblades that, and I don't sell any decent Beyblades, but I sold a lot of my old Hasbro ones, that like Killer or Evil, Gemios, just some really bad Hyper stuff, you know, the things that aren't that good. That's what I sell, and I buy these with them. So yeah, please comment, like, favorite, subscribe to see more videos of Dragoon MS and any of these. And so big, not huge, but a lot bigger than this unboxing coming in a few days. So yeah, see you guys. Bye.